At Scentsy, we celebrate the importance of family, of our shared connections of home. And in a very distant land, far beyond the horizon, there lives a group of unlikely heroes who cherish the comforts and simple joys of home much more than most.
One ring to rule them all. One ring to find them. One ring to bring them all. And in the end, oh, hello. Have you seen my dear friend Frodo Baggins? He is a hobbit of the Shire, small in stature, yes, but unflinchingly loyal, brave, and true.
You are looking for Frodo?
Yes, have you seen him? We were to meet here just this hour.
Frodo Baggins?
As I said.
Oh, Gandalf! You're late!
Frodo, there you are. As I have told you before, a wizard is never late. And who is this?
I'm his gardener, Samwise Gamgee.
Oh, Sam, you're also a very dear friend.
And I must confess, it was I that ate the elven bread.
I am pleased to meet you, Mr. Gamgee.
Thank you.
You all seem awfully far from home.
Yes, sir. What do you call this merry place? Orlando, is it?
It seems a lovely place, filled with lovely, fine people, to be sure, but it does make me miss home.
Yes.
In fact, I wonder what Rosie's got on the stove as we speak.
Worry not, Samwise. You will see your home again.
Actually, hold on. If it's the Shire you're missing, I can help with that.
Can you really?
Yes, I can. Take a look. Inspired by the lush hills and peaceful meadows of the Shire, the Lord of the Rings collection will remind you of the comforts of home, even as you open the door to new adventures. Modeled after Bilbo and Frodo's quaint hobbit hole, the warmer includes precious details on all sides, and the wax dish features a dark verse in Elvish script.
One ring to rule.
We got it already. And to make this Hobbit house a home, you'll need the Lord of the Rings Shire Sunrise Scentsy Bar. This features notes of fresh citrus and forest florals on a woodland breeze. What do you think?
Why, I think that sounds just like home.
That's the idea there, Samwise. Let's give it up for Samwise Gamgee, also known as Chuck Thompson.
We going now?
And Frodo Baggins, also known as Paul Clausen. And Gandalf the Grey, also known as Matt Cooley.
Come along, my friends. Let's go home. To the Shire.
The Lord of the Rings collection will be available globally, but we have 2 launch dates to mention today. The collection is available in Europe and Mexico on July 22nd. And in the US, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand on July 29th. You can check out these products in the display and be sure to give the back of the warmer a peek and let us know what you think. Okay.